I first discovered Care Nashville back in 2022. I believe it was in the spring when my son was at Woodland Middle School here in Franklin, Tennessee, and he rolled his ankle playing baseball. And his baseball coach, Chad Legate, came up after practice, was like, you need to take Cole. Here's the number. He wrote it down on a little torn piece of cardboard at the baseball field. Call Tim Malone. Tim's also connected with the clinic, and go let him laser that ankle. And I promise you'll be back in 2 weeks. And so I'm a physical therapist by license. I do real estate here in Nashville as well. But my PT mind said, well, I like Chad Legate, and I'm just going to see what this, worst case, it just doesn't help, right? I went there. They lasered his ankle. I can't remember, maybe 2 days. I started rehabbing him a little bit, and at the very least, it cut his healing time in half. I thought would be, this is probably a grade 2 ankle sprain. It's going to be out for a good month or so. No, he was back full, not even bruised, after about 2 weeks. And so that was kind of my first run at Care Nashville. Fast forward a year later, he was in football, got hit right where the hamstrings attach into the tibia, the lower connection of the hamstrings. And it was a pretty major bruise. There's a bursa in there that got irritated, and he came into Care Nashville, got lasered, and again cut his healing time in half. And so that was my take, and that was my experience at Care Nashville. Would you run through just a few services that you guys offer? You focus on healing, not just symptom suppression, right?
That's correct.
Yeah.
And so let me just speak to that laser. We are one of two in the state of Tennessee that own that laser. Tractor's lasers go about 1 inch deep. Ours is 5 inches deep. We're able to treat kidney failure. It's angiogenic, which means it restores and creates blood vessels and flow. The blood is the healer of all things injured. We've been able to heal wounds that, wound clinics can't heal just from this. And it is not red light therapy. Completely different thing. This is a medical grade laser, and it will eliminate shingles. It will heal wounds. It will heal tendon, cartilage. We are doing some experiments with regenerating some kidneys for polycystic kidney. We are looking at pulmonary fibrosis regeneration because of the depth of the laser. It's absolutely phenomenal. And those people with those chronic diseases, this is cash only. So what I do is create a membership for them so they can come in as many times as they want to in a month and be able to afford it with just a monthly fee. We do everything we can to heal the people and make it affordable for them. So that's the laser. We also have Ozone, and the people need to look up Ozone. You'll find everything on the internet, from it's dangerous, it's bad, to it's a panacea to heal all things. And I'm in the latter bucket now. I didn't believe in it before. I saw the sickle cell child who was about to go to the ICU and be on Dilaudid for probably the rest of her life. She was 5 then. I've seen her one time when she was 6. It immediately erased or reversed the crisis. We treat Lyme's disease, Epstein-Barr virus, heavy metal tox. We detox with Ozone in multiple different ways. I've got a colon cancer patient. He is on a chemo regimen, but he is coming for rectal ozone because cancer hates oxygen, and ozone is high oxygenation. Had a lady come from Romania with stage 4 breast cancer, gave her tons of ozone. And I can't, of course, say she's in a remission because I'm the alternate care, but I can say she's symptom resolution.
Wow.
And she's 32 years old. So
that's amazing.
We have amazing things that happen that blow my mind every day. And I'm a servant leader, and I've always been somebody to look outside the box and go for that which heals the people. My goal is to reduce the pain and suffering of the people. Well, how do you do that? You heal them. You get to the root cause. And so that's what Care Nashville is about.